Vodafone Idea is committed to being a responsible partner in achieving the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. Over the past year, the Vodafone Idea team has worked diligently to prepare the core network for 5G deployment. The company management has focused on creating customer value to over 220 million citizens and thousands of enterprises by providing superior data and voice experience, as well as building a differentiated digital experience. Vodafone Idea has successfully developed a range of advanced use cases poised to make a tangible difference across crucial sectors such as agriculture, infrastructure, automotive, logistics, and many others. This encompasses the entire value chain of major enterprises and also of MSMEs, which we believe are engines for growth and employment that contribute significantly to India's progress. In the coming quarters, Vodafone Idea will initiate significant investments in order to roll out 5G networks and further expand 4G coverage across the country. Moreover, the company is determined to realize the government's vision of establishing a robust supply chain in critical and emerging areas, including OpenRAN. This endeavor will enable innovative Indian companies to design both hardware and software for the global markets. India's digital ecosystem stands on the brink of unprecedented growth in the coming years. With over 800 million broadband users, a number that is rapidly increasing by the day, the digital economy is being driven by the telecom sector. Today, India is actively engaging in the development of standards for future technologies in areas like 6G, guided by the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister. I once again commend the Honorable Prime Minister and the government for their leadership and tremendous support.
For more videos like this, subscribe to this channel now.